Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. And just Wyatt has shown up for work today. Not sure where Princess Zaina has decided to go, but she's hiding from me right now. She's too funny. It is late in the day on Tuesday, and I know I'm really sorry. I took a day off from filming yesterday, which was Memorial Day. Other than getting my outfit of the day filmed for you guys, I didn't film any videos, which meant that I didn't have anything for you guys today, this morning. I'm so sorry. I did take the day off. I do need to do that once in a while, but I'm really sorry, but I'm back. So I'm filming this video for you guys. You'll see it tomorrow morning. I'll try not to take too many days off, but every once in a while I do need to squeeze one in there. Please be patient with me. I'm always going to come back. What do you think, Wyatt? Are you ready for today's video? All right, let's do this. I am excited because I got my June Glamour Jewelry Box early. I love Glamour Jewelry Box. This is a collaboration, but I'm so happy that they found me. I've been doing this subscription for quite some time now. It has to be at least a year. And I love this. So I don't do a lot of jewelry subscriptions. In fact, I only do 2, and they're varied, right? Rocksbox is a jewelry rental, and I like it because you can try new things. But this is the only one that I do where you get this every single month, 3 pieces, $29.95, plus I think it's $3.50 shipping, and they curate the most fantastic pieces. They never disappoint. They're not too matchy-matchy. They're just awesome collection of pieces, and I love every single item that I've ever received from my Glamour Jewelry Box. Love them. So I cannot wait to see what is in my June collection. Let's do this. Love it. Now you do get to fill out a profile. So if you prefer a certain metal, you can let them know. If you prefer certain styles, you can let them know. Very, very flexible. And for your $29.95, you always get $75 or more of retail value jewelry. And of course, I have a coupon code for you. If you use my coupon code, you will get a free item valued at $25. And I will put that code for you down below. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So excited. All right, so I got a little note. And it says, you can never have enough jewelry. This month includes a collection that is trendy and timeless that you will absolutely love. Glamour Jewelry Box. Always comes in a little jewelry pouch. You always get 3 pieces, earrings, necklace, and a bracelet. Can't wait. And you always get little cards that tell you all about your jewelry. So I'll go over each one of those items. All right, so this month's metal color is silver. And first up, I see earrings, and these are adorable. So they are tiny little hoops, not tiny, but they're small, smaller hoops, which is perfect when you're wearing your hair up like I am today. And ooh, I'm getting so anxious, I'm ripping the packaging right open. Look at the pretty stones in here, almost like baguettes. Hopefully you guys can see them. So, so pretty. They're wider. Let me see if you guys can see that a little bit better. And they go all the way around. How pretty is that? So pretty. They are on a post. And they're about the size, like my pinky fits right through there. That's about the size of how big they are. Just so you guys can tell. So pretty. Perfect for when you're wearing your hair up, right? Or if you have shorter hair and you don't want to get too dangly or too big. I like them. I love a hoop. They're probably my favorite of all styles. I like dangles and hoops the best. So pretty. Here's a closer look. Lots of sparkle. These really stand out. These would be really pretty for an evening out, as well as a t-shirt and jeans. Or a cute little summer dress for right now, right? Let's see what it says about these. All right, so these are called the Zaina earrings. They are by the Sophia collection. And it says, beautifully designed shimmer Zara earrings wrap around your ear for a subtle touch of sparkle. A glamorous set of earrings that you'll reach for again and again. I agree. These are really pretty. These are the kind that you can take on vacation with you and will go with any outfit, right? So pretty. And the retail value of these is $26. I like them. I can't stop looking at them. I really like them. Okay. Next up, bracelet. Ooh, this has some really pretty sparkle too. So pretty. And this looks like a bangle. Let's see if I can get it out of here so I can show it to you. So look how pretty this is. You guys can see that. Look at the pretty sparkle. I like that. So there's like 3 little beads on either side. It does have room here, so if you needed to, you know, get it on and off easily, as well as for different sized wrists. Very pretty. See how easily I can get it on. Yep. I like that. Does have some flexibility, so it's not going to be hard on your wrist. But very pretty. I like that. Yeah, that's really cute. It's almost opalescent, right? Okay, what does it say about this? This is the Serena Bracelet. A delicate cuff with opal stones makes this bracelet a simple and dainty accessory, perfect to wear alone or layer with your other Glamour jewelry favorites. The retail price of this is also $26, and it's by Ivy and Birch. I like it. Very pretty. It'd be nice to wear with other bracelets as well, like they said. Very pretty. All right, now one more piece. This is the necklace. And these always come all nicely packaged so that nothing is ever tangled or broken. Everything has always been in great shape every time I've received it. Oh, this is really pretty. Check this out. So I like the 2 layers. I like the dainty little circles there. Very pretty. So they do have, the chain goes right through the centers there. They're little circles with the nice little shimmer. Very pretty. This would be a perfect set to travel with. It would go with anything. And hopefully, hopefully we all get to travel again soon. And I like how it is not 2 layers the entire way around. Hopefully you can see this. I'm going to hold this up. It only is 2 layers there at the bottom. Let's show you what I mean. See how it starts and stops right here where my fingers are. Very pretty. That's so pretty. Very delicate. What do you guys think of that? And there's my earrings again, the necklace, the bracelet. Yep, I'm loving all 3 pieces. Yep. This was a fantastic set. Loved it. Love all 3. All right, let's see what it says about the necklace. The necklace, the 2 delicate layered chains make for a stylish and easy to wear piece. The Claire necklace provides an effortless layered look with eternity glass rings, easily elevating your style. And the retail price is $29. So the value of this entire collection would be $80. So, so pretty. What's your favorite piece? I have to say, I actually really like all three. I don't know if I can pick a favorite right now. I think this is just the perfect set to travel with. If you had to just pick one of each, this would be perfect. I love it. And they would take up no room in your suitcase. Yeah. And the earrings are very light. They feel nice on. The necklace also. And this is moving nice. It's not getting stuck on my arm either, which I really like. Glamour Jewelry Box did it again. I love all three pieces. $29.95 plus $3.50 shipping a month, and you get three pieces. They're yours to keep and wear and enjoy. I love them. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today. And Wyatt, there's Wyatt. We so appreciate it. Zaina sends her love even though she's not showing up for work today. If you would like to give this subscription a try and you use code HAPPY at checkout, you will get an extra item with your first box valued at $25. How cool is that? You'll get 4 pieces. So awesome. Love this collection. Love Glamour Jewelry Box. Love spending time with you guys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're hanging in there. And I send lots of love, lots of happy, and lots of prayers to all of you. I would love to know how you're doing. I'd love to know what you think about this collection. So please comment below. That's my favorite part about doing these videos. I will put all the information for Glamour Jewelry Box down below for you. Their link, my code. I'll even list all these items that I received for you. And please click that like button. Would love you to hit that subscribe button and hang out for the long haul. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye, everybody.